car is coming. Yep. There you go. Okay. Oh, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Self Rebuild for another video. New project here. So I love the Fiesta. I know people, wow, Fiesta all the time, Fiesta all the time. This one run and drive good. You need some coolant. You need this to be replaced. So I got everything ready to be replaced. But first, I will need to replace this one. But the only thing that's gonna give me some hard time is this one. So I will try to work on that the best I can. Okay, because I can finish this car in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, only if I'm able to remove this one in 30 minutes. So I will try to do that. Okay, wish me luck. Before I continue everything, I will show you the damage. So I need to replace the fender, the headlight, the bumper. Trying to finish this car in one video and everything. So let's get it. Alright guys, so the bumper is out. So it was an easy process to remove the bumper. So now I need to remove the fender, and that's what gave me a hard time now. So what I'm going to do is I have one choice. Whether I shatter this one and I order another one is 135, I'll take a good hour trying to remove it. I've done that before, so that's probably what I'm going to do. Okay, other than that, I need to remove the wheel, but I don't have the right socket to do that. So I will try to remove this quarter glass panel. Okay, and that's the only way I can continue the job. So that's the only thing that stopped me. Other than that, I would have finished that, you know. So let's do that. I have my glass remover. So yeah. All right. So I use my glass remover to finish this job. I replace this fender, same color, everything look the same. So the next thing, I strengthen this one so it's good to go. And I need to put the bumper now. I need to put the bumper. Yeah, everything is good. The only thing, I think this strut here would need to be replaced. So tomorrow I'll be looking for a strut. That'll be my job tomorrow. Go to the junkyard, because if I want to order one online, it will take time. I don't know. I'll try to do one of them. I will try to do one of them. So yeah, overall everything worked perfectly and fine. So we're almost done. So let's put the bumper back. The bumper back, we're getting so let me put the headlight. All right, so I will stop the video here. It was one day build. I finished everything. I need to fix this dent. I'll replace the fender. I still need to tape this one. Okay, replace the bumper, same color, and I still need to do a few adjustments. Other than that, we good. We need to move on. Okay, so I'll make some other video to show you, the other job I did on the car. Other than that, the car is finished, it's working, driving perfectly. Thank you for watching, and see you for another video. Peace.